let's make mention that there are 4 ways that Allah has created humankind. Well, the initial creation was, as we've made mention of, the dust, the soil, the water mixed with it, the shape that Allah allowed to dry up, and then He gave it life. That was the initial. So no mother, no father. It was just Allah. He created it by His instruction, be, and it was. Then we have Hawa or Eve, may peace be upon her. She was created through a male without the involvement of a female. And then we have the creation of Jesus, may peace be upon him, or Isa alayhi salam. He was created through a female without the involvement of a male. And then we have you and I and the rest of the world who came into existence through a male and a female. This goes to show every possibility. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has displayed His power. Allah has shown us, I can create without the involvement of a male or female. If I want, I can make, and I have made through a male, no involvement of a female. And if I want, I can create, and I have created through a female without the involvement of a male. And the rest of you, the involvement of male and female. That's the plan of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. How amazing it is.